nsonga y'abakazi. Bash, when we broke up, I dated. The first time we broke up, I dated some girl. And narabi otaddeyo message na mugisaamu olubuto okufiirwa buli kyenina sigisangamuko ku muwala lubuto. My first time to abort a child was with you. Nenkugamba seetaaga omwana wange akyali muto alina emyaka 3. I remember very well. Then nengo omanye ensonga lwaki nakugamba olugyemu, because that child was for Shafiq. That child was not mine. Omanye amazima. Ekirala for the German guy, nze kale ndi mubi nnyo, but I remember yakuwasa n'ofuna n'olubuto. Eyo gye najjanga ku nyumba yo n'enkaaba laavu ng'enzunza. Bash, Mickey loved you so much to the extent wachimanya even if you cheat, Mickey will bring you back. That was the only mistake I made. I understand I loved you, but I'm also a human being. I get fed up. But it was paining me. Okule kogende. I swear nga sina kye nkufunyemu kwe kufunamu omwana oyo. Era nakugamba at least nina kye nkufunyemu. So to